It can't be avoided. I feel bad for him as well because I too am concerned because he's already given some pieces of information that I think really help the state's case. We know he's on probation, so he is not allowed to take the Fifth Amendment while testifying in this case. So he has to answer the questions, and in doing that, he even in a proffer identified 2 gas stations where YSL sold drugs, according to him. And so the pieces of information he is giving, Michael, I do think further the state's RICO case, and I find him very charismatic and likable. I don't know what the jury's thinking, but I do find him that way.
I fully agree. No, his testimony is it's relevant and it's helpful, and they put him on for a reason. And he's a friendly witness, and he cut a deal with them, and so he's helping them push their case along. It's just difficult to watch because I know, and so do you guys, like, the back conversations between the prosecutors and the attorneys prepping for this case. It's not going to be a clean line of questioning, and he wanted to tell his story, and she told him, well, you got to focus, you got to answer these questions. It's going to be a lot of that. But yeah, he's charismatic. He's not the worst witness in the world. But the prosecution is going to have to use an amalgamation of evidence that has really never been used before, right? It's different than, like, having a wire, when you were looking at the mob in New York and New Jersey, and you had wires and you had wiretaps and you had video surveillance and you had witnesses that were in witness protection program and former members flipping. This just seems more difficult and disorganized. But I can't see it being better, is my point. But I know the work has to be done.